We both survived.
Hey, and welcome to the second part of my Sansa costume journey. Season 8 is here, and I have made some progress. Let me show you. As I said in the last video, Sansa's dress looks like linen to me, so I searched for linen fabrics online. I ordered a sample from an Estonian shop. Then I used hot water to make the sample piece more wrinkly, and then I let it dry and colored it with a dark grey marker. Then it looked fairly similar to the material on Sansa's dress. As you can see, the fabric is 150 centimeters wide, 100% linen, and it weighs 245 grams per square meter. It was the heaviest I could find. I ordered the minimum amount of the fabric, which was 10 meters, and I ordered it in white because I will be using the rest of it for other projects. Obviously, I will be dyeing this fabric. These are the gloves I got. They are broken, so I got them for free. I will have to fix them and make some changes so they look like Sansa's gloves. Then I made a battle helmet for Sansa, aka custom wig head, because I don't have one. And please do cringe at my hair braiding skills while I explain this process. So what I'm doing here is braiding my hair somewhat the same way as I would braid it when I wear a costume. Then I will put a bag on my head, cover the bag with duct tape, and draw my hairline onto it with a black marker. If you will try this, make sure you don't let the bag fall over your face and make sure you won't put the tape on too tightly. I would recommend starting to apply the tapes from the crown of your head and doing the back of your neck last. I am making this so I can style this wig and other wigs more easily. I don't have a wig head yet, and Sansa's hair is usually braided in some way, so if I just stuff the wig cap with something and braid it, the braids will probably be too loose or too tight or in the wrong place. Atelier Heidi, I'm not sure if I'm saying her name right, did a tutorial of this for people who own a wig head. She made it from cling film, and I probably would have done it too, but because I bought my film from Lidl, it does not stick to anything, and now I have 75 meters of it. So, this is the wig I will be using for Sansa. The wig is a synthetic lace front wig. I bought it from eBay, and I will leave a link of it in the description. Sansa's hairstyles usually expose her front hairline, and that is why a wig with lace is the best option for a cosplay of her. I made a clear comparison for you of what Sansa would look like with a regular wig. And this is what Sansa looks like with a lace front or full lace wig. Regular wigs are usually a bit more thick and bulky, so they kind of stand out more. The biggest difference is the hairline and partings. In regular wigs, the line between your skin and the wig is very sharp. Also, the hair partings are usually more unnatural. Sometimes regular wigs are only designed to be styled in one way. For example, a wig that is sold as parted in the middle, you might not be able to turn into a wig with a fringe. Full lace wigs can be styled into any hairstyle pretty much. Lace front wigs give you more options too, and most importantly, they look very natural. Picking the right color for Sansa was very hard. Sansa's hair has gone from bright orange to dark brown during the series. The options were limited because I wanted to stay in my budget. There isn't as much options in lace fronts as there are in regular wigs, and I wanted the lace to be as light colored as possible. I think in the USA there's a big selection of lace fronts, but shipping and customs double the price. So I chose this wig. It looks a bit too red in my opinion, so I might give it a bath in green water or something. It won't be a problem in photography since everything can be edited. In the next video we will dive into making her dress, I think. I am still looking for a couple of items for this costume. If you want to see the rest of this journey, subscribe so you won't forget the name of this channel. See you in the next one!
Many underestimated you. Most of them are dead now.